Welcome to QuizRad, where your music taste gets tested. Today's challenge: delete one song for life. You'll hear 6 hit songs, but you can only delete one forever. Think you can handle the pressure? Let's jump in. Delete one song, let's go.
Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. In a crowded room, you look so happy when I'm not. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when
like we always talked about, 'cause you were so excited.
Bank account number. That's that shit that's never getting bounced on your picture.
came and drink it with your friends. You live in the dark, boy, I cannot pretend.
Which of these 6 hits would you delete forever, even if it meant never hearing it again? Your turn to choose.
From the daylight, running from the daylight. Oh, I love it. In this world, it's just no need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe.
And not much coming out your mouth. Can't you tell that I want you? I say it. His new girlfriend's next. How I get
Out of me.
One of these chart toppers must go for life. Which one are you saying goodbye to? Time to delete one.
From the daylight, running from the daylight. Oh, I love it.
yeah, bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous till we weren't. Built a home and watched it burn. And not much coming out your mouth. Can't you tell that I want you? I say it. That you understand I like it. Can you blow?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Imagine a world where one of these songs never existed. Which one are you erasing? Pick wisely.
Tattoos were like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM. Wanting too much, so cynical. So you're
I got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your
Bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.
devils roll the dice, angels roll their eyes. What doesn't kill me makes me want you more.
Came and drink it with your friends. You live in the dark, boy, I cannot pretend.
You can keep 5, but one has to disappear forever. Which song doesn't make the cut? Here we go again.
And I don't know what I'm crying for.
Shit, I'm an early bird. It's 10 o'clock before.
Aye, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak throw, man.
I had to say goodbye, and I don't know.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet?
These beautiful things that I've got, please.
It's time to make the toughest choice. Which song are you deleting from history? Make your choice.
I'm still wonder why I can't move on just the way. Oh, now I think I must be mine. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your.
Only 5 songs survive. Which one are you deleting from your playlist forever? One must go.
Oh, her eyes.
Just gonna stand there and hear me cry.
Just follow me. I'll get you there. You can try and read my lyrics.
Start again.
so paper thin.
Dit famille, dit tiers-monde, qui dit fatigue, dit réveil.
Think carefully. Once you delete it, it's gone for good. Which song are you letting go of? Let's do this.
Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Back for seconds with your play, you just can't help it. No. Let me take the night, I love real easy.
My heart instead of my head. You found another one, but I am the better one. Now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say,
Which one of these hits would you sacrifice forever, even if it breaks your heart? Ready for the next?
Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Can't
Believe that anything could stop me.
need you all night. Come on, dance with me.
I'm levitating.
Any day, say the word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe.
See you once again. My life was kinda short, but I got so many blessings.
If you had the power to erase one song from the universe, which one are you picking? Delete time.
Juicy J. Let's rage.
She's here, you can take a break.
Guess it's true, I'm not good at understand.
I'm the one for a good time call. Phone's blowing up. Bring on my day. But I keep cruising. Can't stop.
You have to ban one song for life. No more radio, no more playlists. Which one's gone? Choose your song.
On the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor.
But it flew away from her reach, so she ran away. Like when you said you felt so happy you could die. In the room can see it, everyone else but you.
Only the strongest songs survive. Which one are you voting off the island? Decide fast.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's
You can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red by.
found a love for me.
You make me a believer.
In fact, I'm down in this. You say with my boo babe tastes like Kool-Aid for the analyst. Girl,
I'm to throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps.
You can listen to 5 forever, but one must vanish. Which song are you deleting? Another tough one.
Well, don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and night dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight.
the light when it's burning low? Only miss the sun when it starts to snow.
Shine bright like a diamond.
And I wanna kiss you, make you feel alright.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
If you could unrelease one song from these 6, which masterpiece would you erase? Who's getting cut?
And how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's
One call a referee, 'cause I just need one more shot. Call the police and the fireman, I'm too hot. Make a
there and I thought, oh my God, look at that face. You look like
you'll never be alone.
Which of these iconic tracks would you never want to hear again? Choose wisely. Let's roll!
Beginning.
Want you. I came in like a rain.
It's decision time. One of these legendary tunes is gone forever. Which one do you delete? That was tough, right? Tell us in the comments which song did you regret deleting the most. If you enjoyed the challenge, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun quizzes only on QuizRad.